My name is Kevin Vanden Wymelenberg, and I'm a professor of architecture at the University of Oregon. There are a few critical market barriers preventing the acceleration of carbon-sequestering, affordable mass timber housing. Paramount among these is acoustical testing of floor assemblies. Each new floor assembly plan for a housing project requires performance testing before local jurisdictions will approve projects for construction. Without these results, construction stops, or mass timber assemblies are overlooked in the first place. Current acoustical testing facilities typically have 3 to 6 month waiting periods, delaying projects and increasing costs. When we recently tested a half dozen floor ceiling assemblies, costs exceeded $100,000 and the project took more than 6 months. Current testing facilities are not equipped to handle large panel sizes, nor deliver repeatable and rapid performance test results for mass timber assemblies. Shipping mass timber products from the Pacific Northwest to the East Coast for testing is also slow and expensive. The Oregon Mass Timber Coalition's proposal for the Acoustics Laboratory will remove this critical market barrier and help to scale up low embodied carbon mass timber construction assemblies, not only here in the Pacific Northwest, but across the entire USA.